Today we're going to do some more CRA math. Today though, instead of dice patterns, we're going to focus on 10 frames. So this here is a 10 frame. It will always come in blocks of 10. And the reason why we're learning this way is because when we use our mental math skills, we want to just see those numbers and be able to remember subitize them into a quantity. So in order to produce more fluent responses, we're going to avoid counting whenever possible. We're just going to see it. And for those adults helping out there, I'm sure you know when you see a card or you see an amount like this, you're not counting each one of those dots. You just know it as 6. So the same thing for our students. We're going to build those skills so they're not going to be counting every item every time they see it. We want them to chunk it, again, for those fluent, quick responses. So we're going to get started. I'm going to start simple and then build it up. So remember, when we're subitizing, we're going to flash the card very quickly. So get ready. How many? 1, were you right? I know, it's kind of easy to start, but we're going to build it up. It's going to get a little bit more tricky. Let's do another one. Get ready. How many? Did you say 2? Good for you. You were right. All right, let's try another one. Get ready. How many were there? Ooh, did you say 0? Because there are no dots on this 10 frame. So that equals 0. There are none. All right, don't let me trick you. Get ready. How many? 3. Get ready. How many? Did you say 5? Remember, this whole thing is 10. And we're also giving some exposure to half of 10 is 5. So when we see this, we see 5. Let's do another one. Get ready. How many? Did you say 4? Now we just had all 5 filled in. 1 less than 5 is 4. Again, some exposure. Kind of starting to teach us addition and subtraction skills together. Get ready. How many? Did you say 6? We have our 5 and 1 more equals 6. Get ready. How many? Hopefully that was pretty simple. If we knew our 10 frame was automatically 10 and it was all filled in, so that makes 10. Next one. Get ready. How many? Did you say 9? These are going to start to get a little tricky. 1 less than 10. If it was 10, if it was all filled in, what comes before 10? 9. It's 1 less than 10. Let's try another one. These last 2 I'm saving for the end because these are usually the most difficult. So let's see how you do. Get ready. How many? Did you say 7? 5 and 2 equals 7. Or we're really just seeing 7. Eventually, we're going to start breaking them up and using addition. But right now, we want to see 7. Last one. Get ready. How many? Did you guess 8? We have 5 and 3 equal 8. All together, we see 8. Or if these were all filled in, 10, 2 less than 10 would be 8. For now, again, we just want to see 8 for those fluent responses. Okay? All right, now that we did a little bit of practice, I'm going to mix the cards up a little bit, ask you a couple and see how you do. And if you make some mistakes, perfectly okay. Just start at the beginning of this video again or start where you left off and you can practice. Okay, get ready. How many? 9. Get ready. How many? 2. Get ready. How many? 0. Get ready. How many? 3. Get ready. How many? 5. Get ready. How many? Let me show that one more time. Get ready. How many? 7. I want to give you a little more time this, but really it kind of blurred in my screen, so I want to make sure you saw it clearly. Get ready. How many? 1. Get ready. How many? 4. Get ready. How many? 6. Get ready. How many? 10. Get ready. How many? 8. And for those adults watching along, if you're struggling, I hear you. If at first you're like, oh my gosh, I can't even get it that fast. Believe me, the kids can get it. And you can get it too. It's just getting used to it and getting used to even this platform when doing it. So perhaps if you want to provide any feedback, if I need to slow down, that's fine. If the computer's not or the screen isn't picking it up as quickly, fine, I'll slow down. But in the meantime, feel free to practice this video. All right, have a good day, friends. See you soon.